a true icon of South Australia would have to be the man himself, Adam Swanson. So good to be cooking with you again.
Too nice, Jess. So good to have you in my state, and in particular here in Barossa Valley.
I love Barossa Valley. You've had a restaurant here in Barossa Valley, but you've had Cheeky Chook for a while, and I've been promising you for years that I will come visit you to try this beautiful chicken burger.
I've been waiting. You know, each day I wake up thinking it's just going to roll in. But anyway, today we are here. I'm going to be making you the West Fried Burger.
Oh, I love a chicken burger, so I'm excited. All right, what do we start with?
So I picked up some local chicken breast here from the Barossa Valley.
Yes.
Again, when my time with the restaurant here, still got my contacts. So I just went and knocked on the door and got some fresh chicken breast there.
That's what you do around here.
Yeah, I'm going to cut this up just into like scallopini, nice thin steaks.
Sure,
right?
sure. Yep.
Now here is like my secret herbs and spices.
I've had to put a bit of cling film over this because it's a little windy today. But just give me a run through of what we have here.
All right, I can't give you all of them. No, look, there's about 12 different ingredients. You've got some salt, some pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, thyme, basil, oregano. You get them all?
Already forgot after the second one. I'll get the recipe off you.
Good. And obviously you're mixing them all together. And equal amounts of corn flour and plain flour.
Okay, why do you add the corn flour?
Corn flour is for the crunch.
Right,
Yeah, so it's all about giving that extra crunch.
Okay.
What we are going to do, obviously, with our chicken as well, Just, we're going to soak it in buttermilk. Now, this is a key ingredient in this, obviously, this recipe. What the buttermilk does to the chicken, one, acts as a batter, but two, breaks down and tenderises the protein. Yes?
Okay.
So it's really good.
And you like to use chicken breast for this?
Yeah, look, you know, some people, they get into those crazes I've been seeing lately, Juz, in kitchens. Chicken thigh. Chicken thigh is great on charcoal, so you can allow the fat and flavour to render out.
Yeah.
When you're making a burger, you want that sweet, soft chicken breast. So this chicken needs to sit in the fridge for at least 24 hours. Okay, so do its magic.
Yeah.
And like so, we have some magic there. So you can see this wonderful chicken breast sitting there. So there we go. Now, veg oil, okay? Fry in veg oil. 160 degrees. It's going to take us around 5 minutes for that piece of chicken to cook. So now, next step, into the flour jars. Just using the back hand, just give a little press down.
Yeah.
Get this coating happening. Okay. There we go. So look, that's a perfect piece because we're put into a beautiful burger bun later. All right, into the oil.
Okay.
Away we go. We'll do one more, one each burger?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
And so that's going to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Jazz, 5 minutes. Ready? Look at that. Crunchy, golden brown, out of that hot oil. Turn that off. Allow that to sit. Now, time to put together the burger.
Okay.
Got off our toasted buns here already, so it's like a brioche come burger bun that I get made.
I love sesame seed buns.
Yeah. Some bacon that we've grilled off, yeah? So nice and crunchy.
Yep.
Some chipotle aioli, top and bottom, all right?
Okay.
So, 1 and 2.
Jeez, it's a lot of sauce.
No, you don't be tight here, Jazz. You got a nice, you need sauce.
It does, doesn't it?
Does, definitely. Okay. Some cos lettuce on the base.
Okay, I'll just take a few of these off.
So when I'm creating the burgers, Jazz, it's all about, obviously, we've got a protein, either chicken, beef, or lamb.
Yep.
You need crunch. This is cos lettuce comes into it.
Yep.
Take that little bit off. Thank you. Nice.
Try to
Double
get you
piece.
The really fresh ones from the centre.
Oh, I like that.
Crispy,
Thank you.
crispy.
Thank you, Chef. Very nice. Now, majority of other places use that terrible fake yellow cheese. We use provolone. Okay, this is where the Italian element of me, I guess, comes in. So that nice sharpness of the provolone on the base of the lettuce. So the reason why we put on top of the lettuce is protect the lettuce with the hot chicken.
Well, that makes sense, doesn't it?
Okay, chicken.
That's the best looking fried chicken fillet I've ever seen. It really
I
is.
made it, you know. Big steak. All right, coloured pieces of bacon
Bacon.
on top. Yeah, go for it. And then lid on. That's it. Okay.
Oh, that looks so beautiful. I love a well-made burger. You know, some people get the burger so wrong. It's just keeping it simple and using good quality produce.
And you know what? And you're right. Don't overload it. Not too much sauce. Every element needs to play its part.
And then this.
Cheeky Chook, twice cooked fat chips. These are the ones you've been talking about for years. Special chicken salt that we make ourselves. No preservatives, no artificials, no nothings.
Yeah. I mean, they are the best chips you'll ever taste. If you're ever in Adelaide, you have to go to Cheeky Chook just for the chips. But I haven't tried the burger yet, have I?
Yeah, how about and come say hello to me, you know?
I'll come and say hi to you. Chips on the plate.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my goodness.
Nice. Well, Just, there's only one more thing to do. Eat.
Oh, okay, all right. Look at that glorious thing. I don't even know how to eat it. This was worth the wait. This is the best burger you will have in the Barossa, in South Australia, in Australia.
Thank you.
It's so good. I'm not sharing. Oh, lucky we got two.
Don't worry, I'll keep on the chips.